excited about the telecare opportunity, and the reason that I am is because we can help a family go from doctor to prescription in under an hour and save hundreds of dollars in the process. No more complicated paperwork or deductibles to worry about. Log in, select my doctor. It's that simple, and by the way, the savings on prescriptions is as high as 85%. This is why I'm thrilled to recommend telecare to you and your family.
Telecare has brought a level of convenience and time saving into my life that before was unheard of. Now I get to go see the doctor when I want to go see him. Not on his schedule, but on my schedule. No more sitting in the big waiting room to get called back to the little waiting room. I can call the doctor on the phone. I can Skype in. I can FaceTime in. I can tell him what's going on. He calls in the prescription. I pick it up. Not on his schedule, but on my schedule. It's just that easy.
Americans are facing a huge crisis today with the rapidly changing expenses in the healthcare industry and due to the rising costs in our economy. Many are experiencing no relief. The average family can no longer afford health insurance. Today, telecare makes it possible for families to be able to see a doctor using a telephone or any smart device for an affordable monthly subscription for the entire family. Unlimited use for all those who need to see a doctor, get a prescription, all from the privacy of your own home and conveniently saving money and time.
We have a crisis here in America. It's called the healthcare industry, where we spend over $3 trillion annually. We're spending double what we did 10 years ago for health insurance, and our deductibles are 50% higher than 5 years ago. We have a doctor shortage on top of a huge spike in the number of people using the system. A recent Price Waterhouse study concluded we waste over $1 trillion every year on redundant and inappropriate tests and inefficient administration. The American Medical Association said 70% of doctor office visits are unnecessary and could be avoided with a phone or email consultation. It's time for a dramatic change.
Being in the industry for nearly 20 years, I've seen many people pay hundreds, even thousands of dollars to join a company with the hope of helping their families earn a little more and have a better life. Most of those people never even made their initial money back. With telecare, no one can get hurt. The cost is very affordable to get started, and by following our proven success system, we're confident that you'll be profitable and on your way to true financial freedom that you and your family deserve.
I've been in the home-based business arena since 1978. As a trainer, mentor, and coach, I've seen many companies and business opportunities. Yet I've never seen something quite like telecare. An affordable, easy-to-explain, effective service for everyone. Plus, an income opportunity that is simple to do, that everyone who applies themselves can earn a significant, life-changing monthly residual income right from the comfort of home. Because the CEO, Don Frieda, already has a proven track record, who wouldn't want to lock arms with telecare and change lives for the better?